What is it, Nolan?
Oh boy.
Oh boy. What do you think it is, Nolan? Ask Daddy to help you with that.
Need help?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Let's see. There you go.
What is it?
Oh, puppy.
You give Puppy a hug? Give him a big kiss. That's a bear. Can you say bear? Look. Look. It's a big bear. Go snuggle with your bear.
Here you go, Nolan. This is from Mommy and Daddy.
Oh boy. What is that? Is that a hammer? Can you take it out of there?
I'll open it up for you in a little bit, Dad.
Nolan, are you getting lots of new toys today? Who are they from?
That one's from Daddy.
Look at that.
That's a puzzle. Hey, Nolan. Nolan.
Bye.
That's to Mommy. That's from Mommy. No, that's from Mommy. Sit down. Go ahead.
Sit down. You gotta open it. Do you want to open it?
Nolan, can you sit down right here and open it?
Sit down right there.
Open it up. You can open it here. It's to all three of us.
Oh boy, it's to all of us. Pick a spot, Nolan.